Hello and welcome to day 1 of the 5 days of Restmas. For today's practice, entering the sacred cave, we'll need a chair and 2 blankets. So one of your blankets you're just going to have off to the side at the ready. And the other it might be nice to sit on, so you can fold that up as high as you like to get a little extra height underneath your hips. Let's come into a little preparation first. So sitting comfortably onto your cushion, bringing the soles of the feet wide apart in front of you. So a wide butterfly pose. It's almost more of a diamond shape with your legs. Holding on to the front of the legs and just begin to find a little length up through your spine. Pressing gently down through your sitting bones. Allow your heart to become a little lighter. And from here, let's inhale, lift open through the heart. Let the shoulders just drip down your back. And as you exhale, gather your belly muscles in, tucking the hips under, rounding into a little cat curl. Inhale, rocking forward as you arch the back and lift the heart. Long, slow exhale, tuck and round back. Just flowing with your breath. Inhale, lifting open. Exhale, rounding back. Let's take that a few more times, beginning to release any tension, any stuck stress from your day, from your body. Once more. And as you tuck and round back this time, stay there. And from here, begin to circle the torso around. Thinking about moving down through your hips, your belly, your lower back. Creating a movement massage for this area. Good. Just noticing any little nooks and crannies that it feels particularly good to move through as we change direction. Meeting yourself where you are today. Just saying a little hello there to your sweet body. And as you circle all the way back around, let's find center again with hips heavy, heart light, and easy length into your posture. And extending your legs out, place your hands behind you as you bend your knees. We're just going to lean back into the hands, rocking, swaying the knees side to side. Again, just creating a little movement massage for the hips. Good, let's come back to center now. And just scooting up a little bit closer to your chair. There are a couple of options here for the legs. So you might extend the legs out around your chair. Or you could again come into that wide butterfly pose. So the further away from you that the feet are, the more relaxed the hips, the belly, and the back will be. So choose your own adventure. I'm going to choose the wide leg position. And we'll use our blanket, our extra blanket, in just a moment. But from here, let's find the position. So hands are going to rest on the chair as you lean forward. And you can pull the chair in closer to you if you want to be more upright in your posture, or you can push it further away if you want a little bit more of a hang forward. Okay, so as you find that position that best fits your body, we can take our extra blanket and we're going to make a little yoga fort. Okay, so as you bring that around, you can kind of bring it up overhead, and then again resting the head on the hands, hands on the chair. And this just helps create a quiet space where we can rest, where we're not distracted by things around us, an external stimulation, but where we can just really soften here into this present now moment. So it might feel good to gently roll the head a little side to side, massaging the forehead. Letting any tension through this area just melt away. And then letting the head find its sweet spot to rest. Allow the muscles around the eyes to soften and relax. Let there be a little space between your teeth, allowing the tongue to relax inside the mouth. Softening down through the back of the neck and throat. And just letting the shoulders drip down your back. Moment by moment, breath by breath, feel any holding, any tension just melting away as we soften the chest, as we relax the belly. Softening down through the back. Relaxing through the hips and the legs. And just imagine this waterfall of breath and relaxation flowing down over your whole body, down into the ground below. So we take a few more moments to just enjoy this quiet space, making space for ourselves, room to breathe and room to be. As we spend a few more moments together here, allow your thoughts to come to rest in the gentle movements of your breath. And if you find it helpful, if your mind is feeling a little busier, a little more challenging, to be still here, begin to weave an affirmation into each breath. Breathing in, I calm my body and mind. Breathing out, I smile. Dwelling here in this present moment. I know this is a wonderful moment. Breathing, smiling, present moment, wonderful moment. Feel free to stay here for as long as you wish. Or if you're ready to come back with me, let's just take a little deeper, fuller breath again. Keeping your eyes closed as you slowly, mindfully come back upright to sitting. You can just bring your blanket perhaps around your shoulders, staying nice and cozy and quiet with yourself. I'm just letting the head fall to one side, ear to shoulder, gentle stretch through the neck as we roll the chin down across the chest to the other side. And swinging back and forth, nice and easy. And next time that the head sweeps forward to the chest, allow it just to float up, sitting comfortably on top of your spine. And just notice how you feel. Noticing the sensations that are present, the pace of your breath, the quality of your mind and thoughts. Breathing, smiling, present moment, wonderful moment. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you for day 2 tomorrow. Namaste.